So today we are discussing about resistance welding. Resistance welding is the joining of metals by applying pressure and passing current for a length of time through the metal area which is to be joined. The key advantage of resistance welding is that no other materials are needed to create the bond, which makes this process extremely cost effective. Resistance welding is a type of pressure welding, and we are doing this kind of welding through the metal area passing current for a length of time through the metal area which is to be joined. The resistance welding, there is two metal, it is overlapping, and it's the electrode by pressure and through current the resistance occurred, and the welding is done by this kind of thing by the help of the electrode. This is a movable electrode and it is the fixed electrode. So, and the electrode made by copper. Okay. This is the resisting welding electrode types. This type of electrode, we can use this. This truncated cone, dome, pointed type of electrode we can use. And in the electrode, we are using alloy because this alloy can be tungsten, nickel, chromium. It will increase the hardness of electrode. This is the resistance welding diagram. We can see the power supply from the AC current, and this is the transformer. It is a step down transformer. Okay, and the step down transformer, we are using this because the step down transformer reduce the voltage and increase the current. And we need the more current in this kind of welding. So we are using a step down transformer, and then this is the process. Again, it's the process, and there's the movable electrode, and the pressure is downward, and this is the frame which we are using for the structure. This is a fixed electrode and the sheet also holding, and that's the circuit we are close like this. Okay, there is 10,000 ampere current and 4 to 12 voltage. We are using this for the resistance welding. Resisting welding working principle. The working principle of resistance welding is the generation of heat because of electric resistance. The resistance welding, such as seam spot projection, works on the same principle. These are the types of resistance welding. We will discuss afterwards what is spot welding, what is seam welding. So whenever the current flows through electric resistance, then heat will be generated. Whenever the current flows through electric resistance, the heat will be generated, and the generated heat will depend on the material's resistance, applied current conditions on a surface, and applied the current time of period. This is how resistance welding working. Resistance welding formula for the heat generation is H is equal to I square RT. In this, with this formula, the heat will generate where H is the generated heat, and heat, the unit of this heat is joule. I is the electric current, unit is ampere. R is the electric resistance, the unit is ohm, and T is the time of current flow, is second. Okay, now as I said earlier, the pressure will be downwards, the electrode, the electric current is the metal A and metal B. There is electrode, and this thing where the welding is done, this type of spot is called nugget. So what is nugget? In resistance welding, the welding of overlapping pieces of metal at small points by application of pressure and electric current creates a pool of molten metal that quickly cools and solidifies into their round joint known as a nugget. So you can see the spot. This is called nugget. Understood? Now, the types of resistance welding: spot welding, seam welding, butt welding, and the projection welding. Spot welding. Spot welding or resistance spot welding is a type of electric resistance welding used to weld various sheet metal products through the process in which conducting metal surface points are joined by the heat. It is the main fundamental thing in the resistance welding and the spot welding also, that metal surface points are joined by the heat. Okay. And how can I generate the heat? We can generate heat with this kind of formula, H is equal to I square RT, where we put the current, resistance, and time, so we can generate the heat. So the metal surface points are joined by the heat. The AC power supply, force, pressure, downwards pressure, copper electrode, and we are using in the electrode copper with alloy. What kind of alloy? Tungsten, nickel, chromium. It will increase the hardness of the electrode. Is another type of welding, seam welding. Seam welding is the process of joining two similar or dissimilar materials at the seam by the use of electric current and pressure. I said you earlier, the main fundamental thing of resistance welding and the types of resistance welding, that we are using electric current, pressure, and resistance. We need actually the heat to develop the nugget and the complete the welding process. So by at the seam, by the use of electric current and pressure, the process is mostly used on the metal since they conduct electricity easily and can sustain relatively high pressures. What kind of thing? Look, the in this kind of seam is this kind of welding, this kind of resistance welding actually. In the seam welding, we are using roller type of electrode. Okay, because we weld full of this thing. If I doing the spot welding, I will get this just this nugget position. And when we are using the roller electrode, then we can weld all the positions. Okay, so this kind of thing, this kind of welding we are called seam welding, and We are using in the seam welding roller type of electrodes. This is another type of welding, butt welding. In the butt welding, the two pieces of metal of same cross section are gripped together and pressed while heat is generated. And pressed while heat is generated is a movable electrode, and that's a fixed electrode. The structure with this kind of structure we are using in the butt welding or flash butt welding, whatever you call. So while heat is generated in the contact of surface by electrical resistance, when the current is passed, as pressure keeps on acting continuously, then solidifying and completed the welding process. Is a pressure, we will see the pressure, and there is conduct some flash also, and then we are passing the electric current, then the flash will occur and the welding will done by pressure and electric current. This is a projection welding. In this kind of welding, first of all we create the projection. Okay, this is a projection, it's a projection, it is also a projection. So first of all we have to we have to find the projection. So where should I done the electric welding? Okay, so first of all we create the projection, then the welding done because of internal resistance with the help of electricity, right? What is the what is the internal resistance? We all know about that. Internal resistance is a when sheet 1 atom force apply on the sheet 2 and sheet 2 atom force apply on the sheet 1. Also it is generated the stress at that moment. So this is the internal resistance. So the welding done because of the internal resistance with the help of electricity, and the internal heat also generated, and we can produce n number of spot at a time. This is the advantage, you can say. We can produce n number of spot at a time. We can use thick sheet in this kind of welding. Indentation not formed. Indentation, what is indentation? Indentation, look at here. When we are when we are giving the force downwards, the sheet 1, this is if this sheet is 1, sheet 1, on the sheet 1 some pressure will occur on the sheet 1 upper portion. So at there is also a at at that moment at that moment there will make a dent. Okay, this is called indentation. So in this kind of thing there is no chance to indentation will happen. So indentation is not formed, and we are using this at wire mesh, automobile industry, and refrigerator. Resistance welding application. The application of resistance welding include the following thing. This type of welding can be widely used within automotive industry, making of nut as well as bolt. Seam welding can be utilized to generate leak-proof joint necessary within a little tanks, boilers, etc. Butt welding can be used for welding tubes and pipes. What will be the advantage? In this method, the simple does not necessarily high expert labor. The resistance welding metal thickness is 20 mm and thinness is 0.01 mm. Automated simply, the rate of production is high. Both related and different metals can be welded. Welding speed is high and it does not need any flux, filler metal and protecting gases. This is the main thing. We does not need any flux, filler metal and protecting gases for this resistance welding. So cost will very differ compared to if we compare with gas welding and arc welding. Resistance welding disadvantage, tool cost will be high. The work section thickness is limited because of the current requirement, because we need very much quantity of current. So the work section thickness is limited because the current requirement, that it is the less proficient for high conductive equipment and it consumes high electric power. The main thing, it consumes high electric power, so the cost of the electric will be very high. So I hope you can understand this resistance welding. Thank you.